converting binary number to decimal number, the integers first. Okay, so let us see how to do the work. The integer value conversion from binary to decimal has the following steps. To convert an integer binary number to decimal, multiply the digits of the binary number by 2 to the power n, where n means the digits are to be multiplied with 2 to the power 0 for the rightmost, and then increase the power by 1 each time the higher digit is taken. So look at the example that will explain it the best. The example considers 1011001 in binary. What will be the equivalent decimal value? It is going to be like as it is shown in the box. You can see the last or the least significant digit is to be multiplied with 2 to the power 0. Then its higher is to be multiplied with 2 to the power 1. Right. In this way, from the right to the left, the value of n starts from 0 and goes on increasing 1 by 1. Okay. So when I come to the number once more here for calculation, I get to see 1011001 is written with the rightmost into 2 to the power 0, then the next with 2 to the power 1, that means 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 6. So in this way, if you now look into the values are 2 to the power 0 is 1, then is 2, then is 4, then is 8, then is 16, then is 32, then is 64. So if you now perform the multiplication, you will get to see 64 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Final result is 89. So here the process says multiplying each digit with the corresponding 2 to the power n, where n starts with 0 for the least significant digit, which is the rightmost one, and n grows up 1 by 1 from right side to left side. So here the process begins from the rightmost with n is equal to 0. Okay, so we go to the next example. The next example is 111010. This is the second example. Check it out how it is done. The rightmost is 0, that into 2 to the power 0. Then the next is 1, that into 2 to the power 1. Then the next is 0, that into 2 to the power 2. Then the next is 1, that into 2 to the power 3. Next is 1, that into 2 to the power 4. The next is 1, that into 2 to the power 5. Right? So if I look into this there, here I get to see 2 to the power 0, that gets multiplied with 0, rightmost. Then 2 to the power 1 with 1. Then 2 to the power 2 with 0, then 2 to the power 3 with 1, then 2 to the power 4 with 1, then 2 to the power 5 with 1. Hence, the calculation part is for you to do. You cannot copy calculation, that has to be done from your inside. Cross-check the answer. Okay. Then we come to the next example. The next example again shows 101110. Right. So here in the same way, once again, you see from the right side, start with 2 to the power 0, go on increasing it by 1, the power by 1, and then multiply the corresponding digit and then add the numbers and you will get a result. Now, I would like to bring to your notice one more thing. If you have noticed till now, if the rightmost digit is 1, then the answer comes as odd, And if the rightmost digit is 0, then the answer comes as even. Because you see, only the rightmost digit is responsible for generating a 1. Otherwise, rest all of the even numbers are even. And if you add even numbers, you get an even number. So keep in mind, if the last digit is 0, then the result will be even. If the last digit is 1, then the result will be odd. You check one more example. Now this is the fourth example, which shows 1001110. It is for you to do and verify the answer. Just see how the answer comes and do not copy the answer. You must check it out all by yourself, right? And I'll show you this last one. which is also leading to an odd number. Now this one is an odd number because the last digit is 1, right? So please work it out and verify your answer, and you can practice more questions if you want. Okay.